Hi everyone, my name is Mayla. I'm a tech support specialist here at GoLinks, and today I'm going to be showing you how our team uses GoLinks to help us with our everyday tasks. So here we use GoLinks to share information with each other, to help complete documents, and things like that. So when I use Go Help and type it in my browser, it directs me back to the GoLinks Help Center page. And in our Help Center, this has a bunch of our articles, information on how GoLinks got started, some of the integrations that we have, and more instructional videos on how to use different aspects of GoLinks. Okay, so the reason why I would visit this page frequently is because as a tech support specialist, we have to make sure that all of our documents are all updated. So whenever somebody visits our website, you can get all the information that you need to get and to make sure that everything is up to date. Okay, and here's just a better look at our Help Center. So if you were to click on different areas in here, such as like Intro to GoLinks, it's going to take you to a different subsection that has different articles. Each of these are articles. Some of them include videos and just share more information. So by using the Go Help, that helps us to get to our Help Center quicker, and it makes our lives so much easier as we're updating articles every day and making sure that everything is updated and looks good for when you all visit the website. So if you have any questions about GoLinks, please feel free to visit golinks.io, and you can take a look at our website. You can look at our articles that we have over in our Help Center. And if you have any additional questions, you can click this small icon in the lower right-hand side, and this will let you speak to us. And this will be a live chat. So if you have any questions, just send it through the chat and we'll respond and answer it for you. So I appreciate your time and giving GoLinks a look. So we look forward to hearing from you.